Hello, in this quick Grok video, we'll look at data cataloging with TopBraid EDG. TopBraid EDG can catalog your data sources. The cataloging is performed in data asset collections. So let's create a new data asset collection and we'll call it So in this asset collection, you see immediately a number of import options. For example, we could import a DDL file if that's what you have as a definition of your data source. We could also import directly using JDBC connection. And let's take a look at some options here. So for example, you could include data statistics, which is profiling on the number of data elements, the number of nulls, min and max values, and so on. We could also do data sampling to collect a number of data samples. And this type of import can be performed on demand by just submitting it, import now, or it could be scheduled to be performed on a regular basis, let's say every week as your data sources change. It could also be performed as part of the workflow, and here you would select a workflow that would govern this process, and after the ingestion happen, there will be some review steps. Please see our video on introduction to change management processes with TopBraid EDG. I'm not gonna run the import of the database through the JDBC. Instead, I'm gonna demonstrate another type of import, which is import of a data set that may be in a spreadsheet. So we'll select this type of import, and we could choose any spreadsheet type of a file like Excel or CSV. I have a little file that with the airline safety information, and I'm going to select that. And here I have an option to select a number of samples that will be collected, and I will just gonna stay with 5 samples and submit. So let's look at our data sets. So we could see here that the data set has been cataloged. It's airline safety data set, and it has a number of data elements. Each of this was cataloged. We also have a sample as we have requested with the information about each data element. And then we could look at elements and see what information statistics have been gathered by TopBraid EDG for each element. And now that the cataloging happened, so we have our technical metadata, we could start applying business metadata, which a variety of the business metadata is available in TopBraid EDG. So that was a short demo of data cataloging with TopBraid EDG. A variety of data sources are supported, and the cataloging can happen on demand by user performing an action as I just did, or it could happen as a result of the scheduled execution or the service call from another system. Thank you for watching.